Hi, my name is Laura Kiker. I am from Pinehurst, North Carolina, and I am of counsel with the law firm of Will M. Helixon. Where did I grow up? I grew up in Pinehurst, North Carolina. It is a small town, getting bigger by the day, and it is right next to Fort Bragg, North Carolina. I went to Duke University. I double majored in classical languages to be specific, in Latin and Greek. Believe it or not, I did. I love it. And also classical civilization, so all the other fun stuff, philosophy, architecture. Classics is illustrative. It has given me great literacy, cultural literacy, as well as Western civilization literacy. Classics gives us the origins of Western thought, Western philosophy, Western religion, politics, law, the justice system. Understanding how the ideas of human nature, democracy, and law have changed has given me tremendous insight and context for modern issues, which is very valuable nowadays and also very rare because we live in a world with almost nothing but hot takes and short attention spans. Why did I go to law school? I went to law school because I have a very deep sense of justice. It's always been there, and it's more profound than, the underdog who's getting the short end of the stick. It's not always the tremendous story you see in the news or anything like that. There are these little things that happen every day, that little injustices that over time develop and, transform into a greater sense of injustice that, if people don't do anything about it or spot check it, then they can get out of hand. And I've always felt very compelled to helping people. Why did I join the Office of Soldiers Counsel? I joined them because I was very impressed with their mission. And I mean that. We hear a lot about mission objectives and all that with the military. And quite frankly, sometimes it seems a little bit more important than it is. When it comes to the Office of Soldiers Counsel, the mission was integral to our fighting force. People's careers are being cut short because of a medical condition that's outside of their control. Sometimes it was inside their control, but those are usually found outside the line of duty. The ones that are found inside the line of duty are not their fault. It's cutting their career short, and usually these are folks who want to stay in. They're the types who want to stay in. We need to help these soldiers, these service members, at a time in their lives where it is very uncertain. They don't know what they don't know, but we can help them know what they need to know. And I found that mission to be very compelling and necessary. How do I keep clients calm and informed? What I do is tell them, let me tell you how this process starts from the beginning and how it ends, and every permutation in between. I need to know what it is you want. That informs a lot of how our conversations go, and it informs you on where it might go. Knowing a little bit is half the battle. Sometimes you don't know what you want, and we need to figure that out and investigate a little bit there. Do you want to stay in? Do you want to get out? If you get out, where are you going to live? What are you going to do? Those are the things that I inform the client on, all of their options, very methodically, so that we don't miss a beat, and so that they don't lie awake at night thinking, I'm getting kicked out of the military because of some medical condition I can't help, and now what am I gonna do? I don't even know. I tell them. Being a civil litigator has taught me that people just want answers now, and they don't want anything else. It's very hard to do that, and in a world where anything could happen, but only a few options and permutations of results could happen, that gives people tremendous ease. It gives them a sense of comfortability with you. that you just cannot get anywhere else. It is not really what happens in the courtroom that makes people a good litigator. It's what happens before the courtroom typically, and that is what I use in my skills as an IDES attorney for this firm and with my VA benefit practice. Why does this work matter to me? This work matters to me because I realized that when I first became an attorney and I had my first big girl attorney job, I hit the jackpot. I worked for the Department of the Army Office of Soldiers Counsel, and I found there that I needed for myself the reason to help people. I've been an attorney in other places. I'm a military spouse after all. We've had to move. And I've been a civil litigator. I have helped attorneys in all different areas of the law. And I didn't always feel that I was helping people. Yeah, we definitely did, but it wasn't part of the job. This is part of the job here. And I didn't realize until I came back to it how important it is to me to know that I am helping people and it's not just me giving them words, it's real. Why did I decide to be of counsel with the law firm of Will M. Helixon? I decided to be of counsel with the law firm of Will M. Helixon because of one simple thing. The people who work for this firm and Will himself are people who have real life experience and they want to help. They're not just feeding you a line, they mean it. It's always the right thing to say as an attorney to help people and find the justice and all of those things. And of course it's the right thing to say, it is. A lot of lawyers don't mean it when they say it. It's just the truth. Will Helixon and the people who work for him mean it. And I can tell, and it shows in the work they do for the people who come to them. If you come seeking help at the law firm of Will M. Helixon, you will get world-class attention and you will get world-class minds working on your case individually. You defend the nation, we defend you.